Today I have a Chrysler Pacifica and I'm going to show you how to add windshield washer fluid to this particular Chrysler Pacifica. But before I get started, if you find my video helpful in any way, can you give me a thumbs up as well as subscribe to my channel? I'll appreciate it tremendously. All right, so let's get started. So I'm in the vehicle's currently turned off and in park. What I'll do is I'll open the door and I'll look towards down here. Right here, you see this? This right here is the lever for opening up the hood. I'll take this and pull it until I hear a click. And then once I hear the click, I'm gonna go outside and then I'm gonna go to the front of the vehicle. And then I'm gonna come down right here. And see, once I'm down here, I'll go ahead and take this lever. I'll show you the lever in a second. Push it to the left, find the stand, put that into place. Do you see that? It's in this place right here. This is the lever I'm talking about. Took this and press it to the left. And once this is open, I'll look at the engine and I'll find it over here and you'll see this symbol right here. This right here is the universal symbol for windshield washer fluid. What I'll do is I'll go ahead and pull this back and then I'll pour windshield washer fluid down in there, okay? And then after I've filled this up, I'll go ahead and take this top, put it back into place, and voila, I've filled the vehicle with windshield washer fluid. Hope this video is helpful. Thanks a lot for watching.